In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use public files and QR codes in Digs to get the right documents in front of the right trades fast. No more texting PDFs back and forth or showing up to a job site without the specs you need. Let's get into it. First, navigate to your project files, and then to the specific document you would like to share. For this demonstration, we are going to use the roofing installation specifications located in the project documentation folder. Before we walk through sharing a file, let's learn about public files. The globe icon indicates that that particular file is a public file, meaning it has been shared as a view-only document via direct link. No account or login required for the recipient to view. In order to share out an existing file, click Publish File using the three dots next to the intended file. Click Publish to confirm and complete the publishing of the selected file. You will see that this provides you with two sharing options, a URL and a QR code. Simply copy the URL to email, message, or text the link to the recipient. No app download or login required. Now here's where this gets really useful on an active job site. Every public file automatically gets a QR code. Download the QR code, print it out, and post it right where the work is happening. Your trades walk up, scan it with their phone, and they're looking at the exact document they need. No calls to the PM, no hunting through email threads, no wrong revision mistakes. You may also need to unpublish or make a file private again. It's easy. To do so, start by clicking Share File to open the sharing options for your project document. Click Unpublish to remove the file from being publicly accessible and restrict its sharing status. The link and the QR code will no longer be active to anyone who you previously shared them with. You have successfully managed project documents by publishing, sharing, and unpublishing files within the Digs application. This process ensures your project documentation is up to date and accessible as needed.